Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another DRZ video. I'm pretty pumped about this mod that we're about to do because the front of DRZs look pretty bad and the headlight is the main mod that we're doing today. The headlight on a DRZ looks like it's like from obviously the 80s and 70s, and it's literally been like that on every single year that they ever made the DRZ. But the really good thing is they make like really cool aftermarket ones. Most people do like an LED light from eBay, which it looks pretty sick too, and that's actually what I was gonna do. But my buddy Chandler, he put me onto this headlight. It's a JNS Engineering. We'll unbox and everything, and it looks so sick. It makes the front end of the bike look so much more aggressive, and I'm super pumped because I got the blackout version too, which I'll show you. Anyways, guys, let's just go ahead and dive into it because I'm super pumped to install it. And obviously, they were saying actually on their website that it's only like a 5-minute install because it comes with all the bracket and all new hardware. But let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, boys. So I kind of got excited already and I opened it because, you know, that's what you have to do with all car parts. But this thing is super sick, and like I said, they come with all brand new hardware, which is really awesome. And this is just for daytime running that they give you. But let's go ahead and open this thing. This thing is crispy. Look at this. Oh, it looks so aggressive. Like compared to this one, like look at this one. You guys see this right now? This freaking, it looks like a freaking off a 70s car. It's garbage. Like look at that comparison. So it has like an LED, I'm pretty sure like a running strip at night, and you can see like the whole entire area inside is blacked out. So you get to choose between clear and blacked out. And I obviously wanted blacked out because it's gonna look so much better on the bike and everything with the camo wrap. Super easy on DRZs. All it is like 3 bolts. They're Phillips heads, 1 on each side and then 1 on the bottom. And then this whole entire like front fascia comes off, and then that's how you get access to the headlight. Take these 10 mils on off each side, be good to go. And I think all it is after that is to just plug it in. Alright, boys, so all you do is it's plugged in the back right here. Let's see if it focuses with this little dongle here. And then this whole entire box is on the bracket on the stock headlight right there. And all you have to do is like pull it off. It's on like a small little bracket kind of thing. And I'm not 100% sure what this is. It's not for the headlight, but it might be a little module box or something up here. So we'll just have to tuck that up in here. And then now all it is bolt the other one up here. Should be good to go. I should just run it with a no headlight. What do you think, John?
I think it looks good, yeah.
I think we should just run it with no headlight. Like, I mean, this looks like a motocross bike now.
Yeah, I mean, I've seen people do number plates with light bars, but yeah, JNS did it right.
Put like a freaking number plate on there. Put like a little light bar up here. Look pretty snazzy. This is the best part right here. This is like AMSR taking off the crispiness off the headlight. Ooh! Ooh, look at that thing. That thing is clean. I don't know if it's gonna freaking focus or not. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. The thing is sick. The thing about this headlight is it's pretty cool. All you have to do is plug it in, but then you have this red wire right here at the back of it. And on the paper, it tells you that it's for the running light, which is this little bottom like white piece right here. So they give you this wire right here, which is pretty sick. And all you do is you plug it into this one right here. And then this little piece right here is, it's honestly pretty cool. So all you're gonna do is on your bike, there's a white wire on that harness that connects to the bike, and you take this little black piece off right here, and let's see if you guys see that. It's gapped, so that white wire will go in here, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pointed, and it's really cool. This little wire is really sweet, so make sure not to lose it. All you do is you put this black piece over the white wire and then tighten it down, and this basically this tip will go in the wire and it's pointy and you don't have to do any cutting and it's literally ready to go. And this is the white wire. So I'm gonna try this. It's my first time trying it, but what the guy was saying is like all you do is slide this black piece right here onto the white wire. It might take some finagling and everything. There it is. There we go. And then it'll like kind of get in there, and then you just take this white piece and you just tighten it down on it. Here, let's see. There it is. Boom. Tighten it down pretty good here, and it should have like went in like that. And you probably want to do some electrical tape just because, just to be safe. Yeah, just make sure, just to be safe, just pop some electrical tape on there. Not too much. Not gonna get crazy here, but some will do. Let's pop this bad boy in. Plug straight in, plug and play. Gucci. Now we'll just pop this guy in here. This is the aftermarket running light, or the daytime running light. Boom, she's in there. And now you just want to crush that. So stay on there. Yo, dudes, this looks so sick. It's all back to normal, all back on. Literally, this install is so easy, and I definitely recommend. I'll throw it in the description below, this headlight. It's a JNS Engineering. It looks so good. Especially with the black housing, it looks so much more aggressive than obviously the stock headlight right there. But let's go ahead and go ride. So fast forward a little bit. This is like probably 2 months later, but we were making that video that you guys were just watching, and we had to film some more content. Woo! But unfortunately, I can't ride, as you guys know. You guys saw in the, obviously you're watching this video and stuff, but I'm still crippled. I get my boot off Monday, so it's been 2 months, like I said, and so we haven't posted that video. But I had to post this video, so I wanted to add more content. So we're out here at the lot, and Chandler's killing it. He's got the Grom, and he also has his CRF and everything. So we're gonna make some more content for you guys, and give you some more wholesome content of wheelies and everything, instead of that small little clip of us going to the lot and then me wrecking. So let's go ahead and get some content. So you bought this off like the floor, dude, like brand new.
The dealership, 18 Grom.
There we go. There we go.
Let's put the KLX 110 bars on it.
Honestly, like, you like these though, don't you? For the
do, but my handbrake setup's a little squid right now. Got to get an RSC.
Dude, you got that freaking crispy Brembo, dude.
It's a Magura lever and a MK
nice
Stunts
little
cage.
Ooh,
Brembo.
dude, MK Stunts best in the game. I'll throw them down in the description below, actually, because like literally all the other stump bars, they take like 6 years to get to you.
Yeah, it took that like a week, maybe. Maybe a week.
And dude, the red, bro. Ooh, the combo with the MK Stunts. I love this. Like, this is an Amazon exhaust, isn't it?
Yeah, Amazon exhaust. I think it's a 14, 15 Grom exhaust on a newer one, but
dude, yes. And you got the foot pegs because you know what happened there.
Snap them off, doing wheelies and falling.
But dude, honestly, like I need to get some wider foot pegs because obviously everyone knows that I freaking snapped my leg.
I mean, if you look over, they're very tweaked in.
Yeah.
Like they're bow-legged.
Wheelie game, dude.
Everything.
Wheelie game. Other than that, man, she's basically stock, isn't she?
Completely stock.
And that's what you like. You like your bikes like that.
I like them like that, factory.
Yeah, dude. Factory spec. That speck of rice. And you got those crispy little stickers hidden somewhere. But dude, the bike, dude, the baby over here, dude. That's the one that I want to talk about, man. With that crispy, dude. Ooh, look at that booty, dude.
Yeah, 19450L. Oh, that's also stock. Just got the FMF. Yeah, off the floor. Just put the FMF on it.
Dude, this thing is.
Still needs a tune and all that, but.
Dude, thing is so crispy, dude. And this thing was so quiet, like when you had the stock.
Yeah, it sounded like a lawnmower, but now it sounds like a motocross bike now. It's good. It's good. Dude.
And then like, so you put the exhaust on, and then you kind of did the tail delete, didn't you, on it? Because it had that
it comes with its own delete, actually.
Thing on it. Oh, you did?
Yeah, well, it's underneath like the stock. It has like a delete, like a spare bracket you can put on there.
Okay.
That's pretty much it.
And you
put
get
the
the
hand guards and the...
These things are a must on every single supermoto, honestly, or a dirt bike too. But then your next mod is what? The...
Oh, I gotta get the sumo wheels and then the...
Dude, I know. These wheels are on, the tread on the rear is almost up, bro.
Yeah, it's about time. Instead of buying new tires for this, I could just get sumo wheels.
Sumo wheels, bro. And what combination color are you gonna go with the sumo wheels?
Silver and red. It's gonna look factory.
Dude, factory, bro. Factory. It's gonna be sick. And then you said that you're gonna get the ECU too, right?
ECU. It's a lot of money, man.
Tune.
Spent a lot of money already on it, but gotta do it.
She's gorgeous though, dude. You got the, bro, two red Hondas, baby. Honda Grom and Honda CRF 450.
Yes, sir, man.
Alright, boy, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Get it. Yeah, dude.
Say what you say, do what you gotta do. Move where you gotta move, do what you need to get through. Say what you say, do what you gotta do. At the end of the day, all you really got is you. Say what you say, do what you gotta do. Move where you gotta move, do what you need to get through. Say what you say, do what you gotta do. At the end of the day, all you really got is you. The world turns and it stops for no man. So you better have a plan and be ready to stick to it. Take a punch in the mouth, spit your tooth in and get through it. Quit waiting and get to it. Now's a chance for you to prove it. No more sitting around waiting for permission. And don't waste your breath trying to explain your grand vision. So
we're probably gonna call it there, but I gotta show you guys. Look at this. Look at Chandler's tail now. This was the goal, dude. This was the goal that we wanted to scrape it tonight. And he's got to order a new license plate now though too. But dude, bro, look at this crispiness, man. Heck yes, dude. You're breaking her in, man.
Yeah, look at the light, bro.
Dude, look at the light too. It didn't crack at all.
It didn't crack.
And look at the license plate, dude. They can't even read the license plate anymore. But dude, yes, bro, you're killing the game each day, bro.
I'm happy.
Once I get back on the bike, man, I'm gonna be an amateur.
No, you got it.
Obviously, I am an amateur. I freaking broke my ankle, but dude, heck yes, man. I'm so pumped, dude. I'll insert a clip right here. Dude, look at that. Ooh, it's so good. It's so good. Past 12 o'clock. Woo!
I gotta put that on the Snapchat.
Anyways, guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys. And have a wonderful day.
See ya.